What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another Halloween video. We are doing a Cats the Movie inspired Halloween look for today. And we are going in with the Morphe 35G Bronze Goals palette. This palette is awesome. We're going to take that nice warm brown and I'm going to apply this right above that crease into the shape that I'm looking for. And then we are picking up this chocolatey warm brown and we're going to slowly build up that color slightly under that first transition shade. And then we are picking up the brush that we used in the beginning and just blending out those edges without any more product. So we're picking up that black and this color is going right under that second color. And we're trying to create some intensity. And then we are going to cut our crease with this LA Girl Pro Concealer and a flat brush. Now, I've been loving the Pro Concealers to cut creases and to use as an eye base because they're really creamy and tacky. And they give you a lot of color payoff. So with the cutting the crease, you guys, the slower you go, the easier it is. So I'm just going to clean up those sides and the edges, and you want to pat your product when your concealer is wet and tacky. So for these shades, I'm picking them up with my finger first and then using my brush because for some reason my brush was just not picking them up. What I ended up doing was spraying my brush with a little facial spray and then it picked up the shades just fine. So now I'm using those shimmer shades to just clean up my cut crease. And just take your time with it, guys. So we are going in with the NYX Vintage Liquid Liner. I was actually looking for the matte one, but I ended up getting the vinyl one, and I like the vinyl one too. Never tried it before, I always go for matte, but this one's really good. Just the NYX liners all together are so good. I found a pen that is amazing. It will come up shortly, but we are taking a light shimmer shade and just applying this right under the arch of our brow for a little attitude. So to get that appearance of bigger eyes, I'm going to line my inner waterline with this white nude Wonder Pencil from NYX. I love this technique. I love it. And then we're going to take the glitter liner from Urban Decay and we're going to place this glitter line right under our lash line, not on the white, under the lash line. And then we are going in with the NYX pen. This pen is everything. And we're going to make a cat line under the glitter for that cat-like feline appearance, which is everything. Just take your time with this, guys, little by little. This like eyeliner pen is amazing. I love it. And yeah, so now we are going to keep contouring the nose area and move on to our face. So basically the technique is we take that lighter, warmer brown, and then we use the darker, warmer brown to kind of create this contouring effect. So you want depth all around your face, which is how you contour. And it doesn't matter what order you put it on. So I'm just trying to make my nose here a lot more feline-y. That's not a word, but cat-like is what I'm saying. So now I'm taking this Flash palette. It's not the real one. It's a dupe from Amazon, but it's amazing. It's cool. Like, it's good. It's good stuff. So I'm just kind of making like a little cat nose. And it's also a lot cheaper than the real one. But we are going to start to focus on the cat-like features. We're going to start by creating a line from our nose all the way down to the center of our lips with an eyeshadow first. Then we're going to go in with a smaller brush into that darker eyeshadow. Same cool chocolate brown color. And same area. So now we are going in with my concealer again, and I'm going to start by filling in this, it's not the nose area, it's like the mouth area of a cat, which is usually white. It's like their little, you know, mouth area, and I probably spend way too much time in doing this, but for some reason I just kept filling and filling and filling. I wanted to create some depth in it, just so it could look a little bit more realistic. But yeah, so we're first applying the concealer, and then you guys will see that I'm gonna go into my Flash palette, and I'm gonna go into that white, and I'm just going to start applying this color on the center of that same area that I just filled in. So the more opaque it is, the better, because you want to kind of erase where your lips are. At least that's what I was doing. And I'm gonna start filling in some highlights on the face. I was actually following the cat picture, and I found it, and I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna follow a cat picture. So I was just putting white on my face wherever it was on the cat's face. And I think it came out really good. I'll try to insert the cat picture on here for you guys. But so we are going to start to add those shadows along the mouth area, on the outside and the insides of wherever we added the highlights. We're just basically using the same two colors, the light warm brown and the dark warm brown. So this is just kind of shadowing and to kind of give an illusion that there's different shape to the face. So you don't want this to look like a real cat face or a human face. Well, kind of you do. So we are going in, and I'm just gonna try to draw that little piece of the mouth, because their mouth comes in a little bit. I saw it on the cat, so I know it's real. I look so funny, y'all. Like, I was seriously like creating this look, and then I looked up and caught a glimpse of the full face, and I just kind of started laughing hysterically. I showed my husband. He did not know what I was creating before I added all the shadows and stuff, so it was just funny. So here I picked up the brown from the Flash palette dupe, the Flash palette dupe, and I started drawing some hairs for fur along the sides of the highlighted part. And then quickly I realized that if I do this without adding my highlight first, I won't be able to go back in. So I picked up an Anastasia Glow palette, and I started adding my highlight. I really wanted this highlight to be super intense because I'm a cat, y'all. So I need my highlight to be popping. And yes, I'm gonna rock a highlight even though I'm a cat, because I'm a cat in the movie Cats. So here we are, back to drawing the hairs. And you just kind of freestyle this part. Like, it doesn't have to be anything specific. I am just suggesting that you draw the hairs wherever you contoured, because it's going to give it this nice illusion of that wherever you contour, you're going to have your hairs, which is typically what it is. Am I right? But yes, this look was really fun, and I just had to do it, you know, after watching the trailer so many times. And yes, Mel, the cat in the movie Cats, wears lashes. Like, I just wanted to be my extra self as a cat and look like, I was just like, oh my God, I look like a cat. I hope I look like a cat. I hope it's not all in my head. And what we are going to do next is we're going to refill the whisker dots and the line and the mouth area with the actual NYX liquid eyeliner, just because I felt like it needed a little bit more kick to the look. And then we are taking our glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay, and we are drawing some glitter fur. Yes! Yes, we are extra. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys liked it and enjoy it. If you guys recreate this, don't forget to tag me on Insta and I will feature you. But I hope you guys liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Join my familia. I love you guys. Bye.